Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chemistry and Biology Concepts. HSTR 2022-2023 Chemistry class first about the chapter Chemicals in our daily life. In that, chemicals in medicines, antacids, antibiotics, disinfectant, antiseptics and analgesics. So detailed study we will discuss about the chemicals that used in the medicines. So chemistry play very important role in every human life. In our daily life, we are using chemicals in the form of drugs, pesticides, synthetic fibers, detergents, fertilizers, paints and varnishes. Example for those kind of medicines is first one is drugs. Drug is also used as a medicine. The chemical substance which is used to diagnose, prevention and treatment of some diseases, we call it as a drugs. In that chemotherapy. It is a drug treatment that uses powerful chemicals, that is therapeutic effects, which kills the fast growing cells in our body. For example, cancerous cells are fast growing cells in the human body. Example, specially is used to treat cancer cells, that is cisplatin and carboplatin. So, some of the example for these diseases, cancerous diseases. Coming to the next, therapeutic actions of different classes of drugs, they have listed here. First one is antacids, second one is tranquilizers, analgesic, antipyretics, antihistamine, antimicrobial, antifertility drugs. So coming to the first classes of drugs, that is antacid. Here, the antacids means it is a chemical substance used to reduce or neutralize the gastric juice or acidity in the stomach. Example is ranitidine and cimetidine. See here I have given the picture. So if you are having a gastric problem, you can use this. Doctor suggests before food you are going to eat these kind of tablets that comes under the category called antacid. Understanding? So next, second one is tranquilizers. Tranquilizers are another type of a drug which is used to treat stress and mild and severe mental diseases. These are some example for these tranquilizers. So here tranquilizers, why they are using means for treating the stress and all, as well as mental and mental diseases. Example for that tranquilizers are, sorry, this is the barbiturate acid. This is the chemical structure of a barbiturate acid, and another one example is equanil. I have given the picture here, you can observe here. So coming to the next one, drug is analgesic. So this is the drug used to relieve the body pain or a physical pain. There are mainly two types of analgesic is there. First one is narcotic analgesic, another one is non-narcotic analgesics. Narcotic analgesics relieves body pain by inducing sleeping effect. If you are taking narcotic analgesics means now they are going to relieve the body pain and including the sleeping effect also it will cause. Example for that is heroin and morphine. These are some kind of a narcotic analgesic drugs. Non-narcotic analgesic drugs relieves the body pain without inducing sleep effect. Example is aspirin, paracetamol. Aspirin, paracetamol is also used as a non-narcotic analgesic. So these are some example. This one is a narcotic, morphine I have given here. And this one is a paracetamol, non-narcotic analgesic. So coming to the another one type is antipyretics. Antipyretics means these are the drugs used to relieve body temperature in fever conditions. If you are having a fever, the doctors will suggest to take uh, these kind of antipyretics. Example is aspirin and paracetamol. Here in the previous slide also you have learnt about this paracetamol and aspirin as a non-narcotic analgesic. Here, the aspirin and paracetamol both are used as an analgesic and antipyretic. So, these two, aspirin and paracetamol, used both as an analgesic as well as an antipyretic. For analgesic, to relieve the body pain, and here antipyretics means to relieve the temperature, body temperature. Coming to the another category called antihistamine. Antihistamine used to diminish or abolish the action of histamine released in the body and prevent allergic reactions. If you are anyone having a allergic reactions in the body, for these kind of antihistamine they are going to suggest for you people. Example for those are Benadryl, Seldan. So this one is a Benadryl and this one is a Seldon tablet. Coming to the sixth drug, that is antimicrobial. Antimicrobial, the name itself suggesting anti, against microbial. So to suppress the microorganisms like virus, bacteria and fungi, these kind of drugs they are going to use. In the types of antimicrobials are antibiotic and antiseptic or disinfectants. There are mainly two types in antimicrobial. In that, first one is antibiotic. These chemical substance produced by microbes which can inhibit the growth of microbes and even destroy it. That means antibiotics against the biotic. Bio means life. Against the life forms like microorganisms. It is used to kill the or inhibit the growth of microbes, and even it will destroy those microorganisms. Example for this is penicillin, erythromycin, tetracycline. These are the example for antibiotics. Coming to the next type of antimicrobial is antiseptic or disinfectant. So these are the chemicals used to destroy the growth of disease causing microbes in the human body. Example for that is Dettol, boric acid, chlorine, sulfur dioxide, 1% phenol. Here this is the example of 1% phenol, and this one is a Dettol. Coming to this one is erythrocin 250 mg. So these are all some antimicrobial drugs. Coming to the last drug, that is antifertility drug. It is also called as a birth control pills. These are the chemical substance used to check and control pregnancy in the human. Anti-fertility drug is also called as birth control pills. Examples, so that is northindrone, novestrol, etc. Here I have given the example of this anti-fertility drug, that is especially novestrol. I hope you guys understood the concept very well about the chemicals in our daily life, in that especially the medicines used in the chemicals used in the medicines. So if you like the video, please do subscribe. Make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. Thank you for watching.